In this video, I will show you how you can get more storage on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just tap on General. Now under the General Settings, just tap on iPad Storage. From here, you can check how much you have used out of the total storage and how much has been left. Now to free up some storage, first of all, you have the option for recommendations. Under recommendations, Apple gives some recommendations to optimize the usage of the storage for your iPad. For example, we have a recommendation to upload all our photos and videos to the iCloud. You might get a recommendation to delete some data which you no longer need or to offload an app which you're not using. Now, after you go through the recommendations, then just scroll down. Now over here, you will find all the apps of your iPad. From here, just look for any app which you no longer use. For example, I will select this app. Now just tap on Offload app. Select Offload. And by doing that, you will delete the app from your iPad, but you will not delete the data of the app from your iPad. And in case if you want to get this app back on your iPad, just download it from the App Store and none of your data will be deleted. After that, just go to your home screen. And from here, just look for any app which you no longer use. For example, I will select this app. Now just tap and hold on this app and select Remove App and select Delete. And by doing that, you will delete the selected app completely from your iPad. Now from here, just go back to the settings and check if you have enough storage or not. Now if the storage is still low on your iPad and if you want to increase it even more, then under settings, just tap on your Apple ID and from here just select iCloud. Tap on Save to iCloud and from here just upload all your photos and videos and your data to the iCloud and you can delete them from your iPad. When you create your iCloud account, Apple gives you 5 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Now, if you want to increase that storage to 10 or 20 gigabytes or even more, then just go back and tap on Upgrade to iCloud Plus. And from here, you can subscribe to iCloud Plus and you can get more cloud storage. As you can see, you have the option for 50 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, and 2 terabytes. And from here, just select your preferred plan for iCloud Plus. After that, you will get more storage. But keep in mind that Apple will charge you a monthly fee for the plan which you have selected. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.